Today we talk about how can you change your phone number on your Fiber app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on more down here, and just click on more. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on account. Then it's going to take you to this list until you will find here change phone number. Just click on it here. Then here can you just click on continue here. And here can you add your new phone number here. When you click on continue here, click on continue. Add your here. And here can you change your phone number here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. So before I forget, here can you change your phone number and new device here when you change it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.